Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: iOS up to date, enough storage, and a valid Apple ID. Open Update Me Now and tap Sign In or Create Account. This links your preferences and syncs across devices. Once done, accept push notifications and enable background app refresh so alerts arrive reliably. Make sure to grant microphone or camera only if a feature requests it. That preserves privacy. With those steps complete, you're ready to configure the app's main behavior and enter your first update flow. Now focus on configuration and detailed execution. Open settings inside the app and choose your update frequency, immediate, daily, or weekly, and define quiet hours to respect focus time. Next, create an update template. Add a clear title, concise message, tags, and any attachment like a photo or PDF. When ready, use Preview and Test Send to yourself to confirm layout and links. Once satisfied, schedule or send. If recipients need follow-up, use priority flags and review delivery receipts to confirm receipt. Finish by verifying sync and backups. Check iCloud Sync for templates and history, and export templates if you'll migrate devices. If an update fails, inspect the in-app logs to see whether it's a network, permission, or content error. Then toggle Wi-Fi or cellular, force quit and reopen the app and retry the send. If problems persist, export the error log and contact support. One key troubleshooting tip: revoke and re-grant notification or background refresh permissions. This often clears stuck delivery behaviors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.